So one of the keys to helping with forward head posture, which is so common today from using our phones, is to work on the lower neck, upper back. It's called the cervical thoracic junction. And this is one of the adjustments I use with my patients, which can really give a lot of relief from stiffness and pain in this area. So Dennis, can I have you turn your head to this side, please? Chin comes up a little bit. Oh, already moving. Good. And we do this on both sides. You're going to turn the other way, please.